Welcome to another episode of Animal Profiles. In this video, I will be talking about one of the most incredible animals to live on this planet, one with the most fascinating behaviours and social structures of any animal, the killer whale. These animals are very large predators, and are in fact the biggest currently living members of the dolphin family Delphinidae, reaching incredible lengths of about 6 to 8 meters for males and 5 to 7 meters for females. The males also possess an incredibly long dorsal fin, measuring about 1.8 meters, whereas for females the dorsal fin is less than half of this length. There are 3 different types of killer whale, which all feed on different things. The first of the 3 are the resident orca. These animals live in complex groups called pods, and return to the same areas consistently, feeding mainly on squid and fish. Another type are the transients, which hunt other marine mammals. They travel in small groups of usually no more than 6 individuals, and swim in larger areas along the coast. The third type are called offshore orca. This variation moves far away from the coast, to feed on mainly schooling fish, and there is evidence that they may also hunt other marine mammals and sharks. These creatures have a huge range, living in every ocean and almost every sea. However, it is understood that these animals seem to favour more coastal regions than open ocean, and it is common to see pods of orca around the shores of places such as Norway, British Columbia and Oregon. They are also spotted across many other areas of the world, and from every continent. Orcas are well known for their incredibly complex social groups, which are similar in some ways to the social behaviours of elephants and even humans. Resident killer whales live with their mothers their whole life, therefore living in matriarchal groups. Several of these groups then form together to create pods, but the pod may separate into its individual family groups for long periods of time. In the wild, females have been recorded as reaching an incredible 90 years, meaning that it is possible that 4 generations of orca can make up a single family group. Due to these complex social ties and family bonds, many scientists believe that killer whales should not be kept in captivity, as they are separated from their families and forced to live with complete strangers, which often causes violent confrontations. Killer whales are a species of dolphin, and probably evolved in the last 11 million years, in the Miocene epoch. They are a member of the family Delphinidae, more commonly known as oceanic dolphins, which in turn are part of the group known as toothed whales. The term dolphin itself actually refers to several different groups of toothed whales, so it is what is technically known as a paraphyletic clade in zoology. Genetic studies have shown that the orca's closest living relative are the snub-finned dolphins, which inhabit seas around Southeast Asia and Australia. Due to the noticeable differences between killer whale types, it is possible that a few of these are actually different species that are critically endangered. However, orca as a whole are currently classified as data deficient in relation to their conservation status. One of the major threats to orcas at the moment is the accumulation of toxins through the animals that they prey on. These pollutants are taken into their bodies when they feed on other organisms that have been poisoned by these toxins, and can result in severe health problems for the animals. Another problem faced by killer whales is the decrease in numbers of prey items, such as salmon and seals, which means that they have less to feed on. An interesting find was made in 2004 when a scientist argued that sonar used by the US Navy was actually causing harm to orcas and other whales, and was responsible for brain hemorrhaging that killed 6 beaked whales, yet another threat towards these creatures. And of course, there is also the issue of keeping killer whales in captivity, which obviously has severe adverse effects on the animals. Fortunately, these practices seem to be coming to an end, and hopefully people will be able to appreciate these remarkable creatures in the natural habitats that they are adapted for. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Remember that you can subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one, and you can also follow me on social media.